Yo, what's up, squad? It's Dirt Bike Dill. We just got to Tom's house right now. We're about to load up his YZ125. We're gonna head over to ET Motocross Track. Haven't been there yet this season since they redesigned it and then reopened. Got his KTM Sumo over here. Phew! Be hitting them dank nooners on those. But yeah, anyways, we'll see you guys at the track. Gonna meet up with a couple other buddies. It's gonna be a fun ass day. Look at this little pit bike. And then that one. So yeah, let's cut to the riding footage. See y'all at the track. All right, we out here at ET Motocross Track. Gonna go do the first couple laps of the day. Check out the new layout. I haven't been here in like a year and a half. Woo! Let's get it. There's a shit ton of people here. All right, I'm gonna follow Cole to start the day off. Ooh, the dirt is really loose out here. This track is gnarly. The jumps aren't that bad. The dirt is just... The dirt is freaking gnarly. I feel like an amateur right now. We're getting sideways already. Ow. This track is seriously a workout. Let me tell you. Hey, can you hold this for a sec? That's my skid plate. Whew. Well, I lost my skid plate. Yo, you good? Came off on the landing. Yo, you good? My skid plate came off on the landing. I didn't fall or anything, my skid plate came off. I just saw it when I was in the air and I was like, that looks like my skid plate. Yeah. To the truck. My exhaust bolt came off with it. My exhaust is dangling. I got a bolt, I think. God damn it. I didn't even fall. Yeah. Bolt just clean snapped out. Son of a bitch. We'll see if Zach's little redneck wire trick will work. Like, I left all my freaking bolts at home. I'm so mad. They're always in my truck too, but not this time. Ah! We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna be so bummed if it doesn't hold up that well and then I can't ride for the rest of the day. I mean, I'm taking this bike to Caleb anyways tomorrow, and then he's gonna put a new whole top end in this beast. So I'm not tripping too hard, honestly. I'm gonna have a freshy bike after this, but whew. Some of these ruts are gnarly today. The dirt here at ET is pretty badass. Except it was really choppy this morning. I mean, it's still early in the morning, just as choppy, but it actually got way looser. Then they're waving everybody off anyway. I'm gonna have to call it a day. This sucks. That wire's not gonna keep it tight enough. I don't wanna fuck up the head on my bike just to ride for another hour or two. That exhaust be moving everywhere. So I'm out here taking videos of everybody now since I can't ride because of my exhaust. Seth's gonna send it on this fat ass tabletop right here. And then, oh, watch this guy. Anyways, hope you're not one. But yeah, Zach is coming around here, Tom's coming around, probably Cole too. Yeah, I'm just gonna get some footage of everybody. Here comes Zach.
Cardova, at least as much as I can bend. I'm not very flexible. Yeah, a little bit.